I'm Ethan Kwan, and today I'm going to be showing you how to fold the golden snitch from Harry Potter. The golden snitch was part of a game in Harry Potter called Quidditch. And it was, you're supposed to try and catch this. So you could play like normal catch. Nope, where'd it go? Dang, oh, it went right here. Anyway, so I'm gonna show you how to fold this. Now, this is from a 2-inch kami, which is, well, compared to like a fidget spinner, for example, it's like the middle part, whatever you call that. Hold on. Okay, I designed this fidget spinner. Anyway, so this is the golden snitch. So if you make it out, so I made this one out of 2-inch kami, so I made this out of 2-inch kami, which is about this big. Here's the fidget spinner again. It's about the same size as the normal fidget spinner. You could cut it into 3-inch. That also works too, like origami paper. Cut into 3-inch. And then cut it into 2-inch, and then cut and then measure how long 6-inch kami actually is, and then cut off one of those from the 3-inch kami to get 2-inch kami. But you could just use 6-inch. It just won't look as nice as this. So you could also use 3-inch, but it would be a bit bigger than this. Okay, anyway, enough explaining. I can't say that. Hold on. Enough of that. Let's fold. So what we're gonna do is start white side up, and we're gonna fold a water bomb base. So we're gonna fold diagonally in half. And try to make really good folds, and use your fingernail to crease. Okay? Now we'll fold this corner up to here. You might know this method. Now turn over and fold this corner up to there. Now open the pocket, the big pocket, and then push these points. So it was like this. Push these points together once, so it's like that. Put your finger all the way inside and squash together like that. Now you have a water bomb base, and it kind of makes sense to be a water bomb base because there's like almost the same features as a water bomb, just the wings are added. Okay, now we're gonna start off the same way. So fold this corner up to here, and fold this corner up to here. And then fold, you should all know this. Fold it like this, and then like this. Now unfold that, and then unfold this. Now as you can see, if you have your water bomb like this, there's a little crease. Hold on. Can you see it properly? Yeah, it's bad quality. Sorry. So it's like this. There's a crease right here. Hold on, it's kind of blurry. So as you can see, there's a crease right here. So if you look, there's a crease right here. You can't see it because it's kind of blurry, but anyway. So you're gonna fold on that crease, but don't fold here. Now we're gonna squash it. So we're gonna push this up and then squash like that. And this corner should align with this corner. Now we're gonna fold right on this edge like that. And that's one of the wings. Now we're gonna make the other wing. And if you look, the snitch has 4 wings. So we're gonna do the same thing for the other side. So I'm gonna kind of skip through this part. because it's exactly the same as making the first wing. Watch out for these wings getting unattached. Last one, like this, and fold it. There we go. So it's now time to blow it up. If you look, there's one hole right here. So we're gonna first make a minor miracle. So what you do is fold like this, and then turn over and make another minor miracle. Fold like this. I think that whole process is a minor miracle. Okay, anyway, now hold two flaps with the wings like this, and then blow into this hole. So yeah, it's kind of hard with 2-inch kami. Hold on. Well, if you need help, you could. So if you need help, just fold like this and backwards like this, and then turn over and then repeat this and like this. That would help. Now blow into it. Blow into it. Okay, there. So that's your golden snitch, and you can shape the tube however you like. If you want to be more of a ball, I don't know. Well, you could, I don't know. You could sink these corners or something. Okay, anyway, that's how to make the golden snitch. So this, thanks for watching this video. So, I guess I'll see you at howtodosomething.com, and see you next time. Bye.